Welcome back. If you're planning to upgrade your backyard BBQ setup in 2025, this video is for you. We've researched and compared dozens of grills to bring you the top 5 BBQ grills that deliver outstanding cooking performance, durability, and value for money. Whether you prefer juicy burgers, smoked brisket, steaks, or grilled vegetables, there's a perfect option here for every budget and cooking style. Stay until the end to discover which BBQ grill deserves the #1 spot. Number 5. Blackstone 4-Burner Griddle Grill. The Blackstone 4-Burner Griddle is perfect for outdoor cooking beyond traditional BBQ. Its large, flat-top cooking surface allows you to prepare pancakes, eggs, bacon, burgers, cheese steaks, vegetables, seafood, and fried rice all at once. 4 independently controlled burners provide excellent heat management across different cooking zones. The durable rolled steel cooking surface heats evenly and develops a natural non-stick seasoning over time. Rear grease management makes cleanup quick and easy after every meal. Whether you're cooking breakfast for the family or hosting a backyard cookout, the Blackstone delivers impressive versatility and cooking capacity that traditional grills simply can't match. vidIQ. Number 4. Masterbuilt AutoIgnite 545. The Masterbuilt AutoIgnite 545 combines charcoal flavor with modern technology. Its automatic ignition system removes the hassle of lighting charcoal, allowing you to start cooking quickly. Digital temperature controls help maintain consistent heat throughout long cooking sessions, making it suitable for smoking ribs, grilling burgers, or roasting whole chickens. The compact footprint fits comfortably on most patios while still offering generous cooking capacity. Built-in temperature monitoring helps reduce guesswork, making it a great choice for beginners who want authentic charcoal taste without the usual challenges. With its balance of convenience, performance, and affordability, the AutoIgnite 545 stands out as one of the best charcoal grills available today. Number 3. Kamado Joe Classic 2. The Kamado Joe Classic 2 is a premium ceramic charcoal grill designed for grilling, smoking, baking, and roasting. Its thick ceramic body provides outstanding heat retention and precise temperature control, allowing you to cook everything from low and slow brisket to perfectly seared steaks. The divide-and-conquer cooking system lets you prepare multiple foods at different temperatures simultaneously. An airlift hinge makes opening the heavy lid effortless, while the premium gasket helps lock in heat and moisture. Its versatility and exceptional cooking performance have earned it a loyal following among serious BBQ enthusiasts. If authentic charcoal flavor is your priority, the Classic 2 is an outstanding investment. Number 2. Traeger Woodridge Pro Pellet Grill. The Traeger Woodridge Pro brings authentic wood-fired flavor with modern convenience. Using hardwood pellets as fuel, it automatically maintains cooking temperatures, allowing you to smoke, grill, roast, bake, braise, and BBQ with minimal effort. Built-in digital controls make temperature adjustments simple, while Wi-Fi connectivity lets you monitor your cook from your smartphone. The spacious cooking area easily handles meals for large family gatherings. Whether you're preparing ribs, brisket, pulled pork, or smoked chicken, this pellet grill consistently delivers rich, smoky flavor and excellent results. Its durable build quality and user-friendly features make it one of the top choices for backyard BBQ enthusiasts in 2025. Number 1. Weber Spirit E310. The Weber Spirit E310 is one of the most trusted gas grills for backyard cooking. It features 3 powerful burners that provide even heat across the cooking surface, making it ideal for burgers, steaks, chicken, and vegetables. The porcelain-enameled cast-iron grates retain heat exceptionally well while remaining easy to clean. Its compact design fits most patios without sacrificing cooking space. The durable construction and reliable ignition system make it a favorite among beginners and experienced grillers alike. Side shelves offer additional prep space, and Weber's reputation for long-term reliability makes this grill an excellent investment for years of outdoor cooking. If you're looking for a dependable gas grill with consistent performance, the Spirit E310 is hard to beat.